Okay, welcome, and in this video we're going to talk about order of operations when it comes to signed numbers. So always remember the acronym Pemdas, okay? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, okay? That's a common one. Now, what does this tell you? It tells you the order in which you are to do operations in order to get the correct answer, okay? So if there are parentheses or any other grouping symbols like brackets, braces, absolute value signs, square roots, and there are things going in, you do those first. Exponents, okay? So exponents also includes the square roots, okay? So square roots could be included in exponents, okay? Now, exponents. So after you do parentheses and exponents, then you do multiplication and division. And you do it left to right. Okay? So the order in which you do these, you typically want to do multiplication and division from left to right in the problem. And then followed by addition and subtraction left to right. Okay? For example, in this case here, if we follow PEMDAS, we got 4 times the quantity, 8 minus 6. So PEMDAS says, okay, parentheses first. So we're going to do what's inside the parentheses or grouping symbols first. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So this reduces it to 4 minus 2. Or excuse me, 4 times 2. And then 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Or if you notice, you could also use the distributive property. So I can distribute the 4 across subtraction. So I can distribute the 4 and write this as 4 times 8 minus 4 times 6. And now PEMDAS tells me to do the multiplication first. So now this is going to equal 4 times 8 is 32. Minus 4 times 6 is 24, and then 32 minus 24 gives me 8. So in either case, you get the correct answer. Okay. Now, in this example down here, this is one that students will mess up if they don't do it right. So there are no parentheses other than just these parentheses here, but those parentheses are indicating multiplication, not grouping. So we're going to not really do those. So exponents, there are no exponents, so we don't have to worry about that. So then multiplication and division. So we're going to do multiplication and division left to right. So we're going to do left to right. So here, division. So we're going to do 12 divided by 3. That's give us 4 minus, and then the multiplication. 2 times negative 5, which is negative 10. And now we've got subtraction. So here I'm going to change this to a plus. So I'm going to change it to an addition problem, and I'm going to change that to a positive 10. Okay? And so now I get 4 plus positive 10, which equals 14. And that is the correct answer. Okay? That's it. See you next time.